Bookkeeper. Welcome back to the channel. With the year end quickly approaching, it's the perfect time to talk about a topic that every business owner needs to pay attention to: year-end bookkeeping and cleanup. Whether you run a small business or are self-employed, wrapping up your finances properly can make a world of difference. So let's dive into why year-end bookkeeping is important and how you can get started. So, what exactly does year-end bookkeeping involve? In short, it's a thorough review of your financial records to make sure everything is accurate and up to date. This process includes things like reconciling bank and credit card accounts, reviewing accounts receivable and accounts payable, and double-checking your expense record. One of the main reasons year-end cleanup is so valuable is because it makes tax season so much easier. Imagine going into tax season with confidence, knowing your financial records are in perfect shape. It means fewer headaches, quicker filing, and avoiding those last-minute frenzied scrambles or potential penalties. But it's not just about taxes. Year-end bookkeeping helps you spot financial trends and gain insights that can guide your business decisions for the upcoming year. For example, you can identify areas where you might cut costs or see which revenue streams are performing best. It's all about using your financial data to set your business up for success. Now, what happens if you skip this step? Well, you could be setting yourself up for costly mistakes. Incomplete or disorganized books can lead to errors, delayed tax filings, and missed financial opportunities. The truth is, keeping your books in order is a proactive step that helps you avoid these pitfalls. So how can you get started with your year-end bookkeeping? Here are a few quick tips. Start early and create a detailed checklist of tasks. Reconcile all your accounts, all your bank accounts that is. Review your accounts receivable and payable to ensure no invoices are missed or unpaid. Verify your expenses and categorize them correctly. Finally, back up all your financial data for safety. If this sounds overwhelming, don't worry. Bookkeeping software or a professional bookkeeper can make the process much smoother. To wrap things up, year-end bookkeeping is a powerful tool that helps you close out the year confidently and set the stage for the next one. It's not just an administrative task, it's a smart business practice. I'll put a link for the downloadable PDF version of the year-end bookkeeping and cleanup checklist below the video, so you can access it there. Thanks for watching, and here's to a successful year-end wrap-up. See you next time.